So, can you make money as a sound designer? This is a fun one for me because when I was getting into the industry, everybody, including my parents, was constantly telling me that there was no way anyone could make any money doing what I'm doing right now. And I'm here to tell you that, yeah, you absolutely can make good money. And yes, I'm here to tell you that you can make a lot of good money as a sound designer, but a lot of the onus of doing the work is on you. For most sound designers, you're not necessarily going to go into an office every single day and have someone tell you what to do, especially when you're first starting. Sure, if you want to work for a AAA company, that may come down the line, but that's very rare for beginners to get that sort of situation set up. So to get good enough to make money off of this craft, you're going to need to put in a ton of practice, networking efforts, reaching out to people, finding mentors, asking good questions, upping your social game. Every single aspect of your career is up to you to actually improve. So yes, you can absolutely make a great living as a sound designer, but it's 100% on you and up to you to upgrade every single aspect of your life, every single skill you have, so that you're as valuable as possible, because this is a super competitive field. And if you aren't working super hard to constantly make yourself better, then there will always be someone else who is, and that person's gonna get all the gigs. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.